In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Nordstrom gift card. Whether you prefer to order online, pick one up in a store, or use the Nordstrom app, the process is simple, fast, and designed to fit the way you like to shop. Let's start online at the official Nordstrom gift card site. First, choose the type of card you want. A digital gift card is sent by email or text, which is great for last-minute gifts or when you want instant delivery. A physical gift card is mailed to the recipient, perfect if you want something they can hold or include in a greeting card. Next, pick a design that matches the occasion. Then enter the amount you'd like to load, anywhere from as little as $5 up to $2,000. Add the recipient's name and a short personal message so they know who it's from. When you're ready, pay using a credit card, a debit card, or PayPal and complete checkout. Digital cards can arrive instantly, or you can schedule them for a future date if you're planning ahead. Physical cards typically ship within 1 to 3 days. As a helpful tip, double-check the recipient's email or phone number for digital delivery and confirm the mailing address for physical cards to avoid delays. If you prefer to buy in person, visit any Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack store to purchase a physical gift card directly. You can select a design, choose your amount at the register, and pay the same way you would for any other purchase. This is a convenient option if you're already shopping or want the card immediately in hand. You can also purchase through the Nordstrom app. Look for the gift card section, choose between a digital or physical card, pick your design, select the amount, add your message, and check out with your preferred payment method. The experience mirrors the website, including the option to schedule digital delivery. A few important details to keep in mind. Nordstrom gift cards do not expire and have no fees, so the full value is always available. They can be used at Nordstrom Rack, on Nordstrom.com, and in the Nordstrom app, giving the recipient plenty of flexibility. For physical gift cards, standard US shipping is usually free. And that's it. Choose your format, personalize the card, pay securely, and you're done. With instant digital delivery or quick shipping for physical cards, buying a Nordstrom gift card is a reliable way to give someone exactly what they want.